Welcome to John Newton online class. In this video, I want us to learn mathematics. The topic I want to teach is still under number system. That is lecture 2. From the particular point we stopped last time. During our previous lecture, we discussed how to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases like binary, that is base 2, base 3, base 4, and so on. Now, in this particular class, we want to study how to convert numbers from other bases, that is base 3, base 4, base 5, and so on, base 2, back to base 10, which we promised to study today. Because many people were asking questions, having dealt with conversion from base 10 to other bases, how then can we convert numbers from that basis, other bases, back to base 10? And that's what we are here to learn this particular time. Now, let us look at some questions we have on the board. These questions we are taking from the previous class we had. If you did not watch the video, you can go to my YouTube channel and see the video or Facebook page. The answers we obtained there when we converted them to their bases from base 10. Now, we want to convert them back from those bases now to base 10. Now, let's look at the question. The question says, convert 1100 base 2 to base 10. Number 2, convert 224 base 5 to base 10. Number 3, convert 132 base 8 to base 10. Now, solution. So, doing this conversion is very simple. What you need to do is this. Number 1, we have 11001 base 2. So, all we need to do is, you take them one by one. Each of the digits here multiplied by the base, raised to the power of number of digits left. That is 1, this one times 2, this base, raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus this one times the base 2, raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, plus 0 times 2, raised to the power of 1, 2, plus the other 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Then we continue. First of all, you deal with the powers. 2 raised to the power of 4 is not 2 times 4, please. It means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So we now have 16, we have 1 times 16, 1 to show work, plus 1 times 2 to the power of 3, means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, plus 0 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Recall, in indices, any number or quantity raised to the power of 0 is 1. Then we have 1 times 16, 16, plus 1 times 8, 8, plus 0 times 4, 0, plus 0 times 2, 0, plus 1 times 1, 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Now, we have 16 plus 8 gives us what? 24. 24 plus 1 gives us 25. So, our answer is 25 to base 10. That's our answer. Very simple. Now, number 2 question quickly. You cannot see that if you are treating a case like this, those ones in zeros can finally amount to 0. So you can simply bypass them. That is by shortcut. Now, for number 2, it says 224 base 5 to base 10. So that will give us the same method here. 2 times, that is 2 times the base 5. To the power of 1, 2, plus 2 times this base, which is 5, to the power of 1, plus 4 times 5 to the power of 0. Then we continue. That will give us 2 times 5 raised to the power 2 is not 5 times 2, but 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 2 times 5 to the power of 1, 5. Plus 4 times 5 to the power of 0, remember, it is 1. Like I told you, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Giving us 2 times 5, 25 is 50. plus 2 times 5, 10, plus 4 times 1, 4, which gives us 50 plus 10, 60 plus 4, 64. So we have 64 base 10. Then the last one, number 3. Number 3, for space, let's work number 3 up here. Number 3 says, I hope you can now work number 3. 132. 132 base 8. And that will give us 1 times 8 to the power of 1, 2, plus 3 times 8 to the power of 1, plus 2 times 8 to the power of 0. You bracket them, showing the order of operation. That means 1 times 8 power of 2 is 8 times 8, 64, not 8 times 2. 64 plus 3 times 8 plus 2 times 1. I guess you remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Giving us 1 times 64, 64 plus 3 times 8, 24 plus 2 times 1, 2, which gives us 64 plus 24 is 88 plus 2, 90. Have 90 base 10. So you can see that these are the quantities we converted during our last class in here online to base from base 10 to other bases. We converted them and obtained these figures we use now. You can see now we have operated and converted them back to base 10. So thank you. I believe you understood this particular lecture and enjoyed the class with me. For more of this in mathematics and physics, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like my page on Facebook and follow me, and also follow me on